so I finished up making all this stuff for online, so that online is fully restocked for now. And I've packed up orders at the start of this week and done all that kind of stuff. So now what I'm moving on to is I have to create new work for my stockists. So that's what I'm going to be working on. Hopefully get that finished start of March. So I've got around three and a half weeks worth of work to do. So I feel like I've just finished like getting a whole load of work done. Had a little bit of a break and now I'm right back into it. So what I did last night is I pulled out some fabrics that I thought would work really well for the Omdiva collection, and that's what I'm going to start with. I'm going to start getting that kind of going, get warmed up with that. But what I'll do now is I'll show you the colours that I've put aside and the fabrics that I've chosen, so you can kind of see or get a feel for the colours in the collection. And again, I'm going to be making maybe around 2 or 3 bags, maybe 2 collars. I'm going to keep it really simple. I think I mentioned in a previous video that this year I'm going to concentrate a bit more on just the making side of things and making more product rather than a focus on creating 2 new collections a year. Anyway, that's how I'm feeling right now. I mean, that could change totally as the year goes on. Yeah, so let me show you the colours that I've chosen for the Omdiva collection. So here are the main colours I've pulled out. So this peachy, satiny type fabric that I think I will have showed you in like a recent kind of fabric sourcing video. I've got this lovely, and these are all kind of more heavy upholsterer fabrics which hold like the shape of volume a little bit better, so that's why I've chosen them. And we've got some peach, we've got this lovely fabric that kind of shines greyish blue and peach. It's beautiful. I'm not quite sure the name of those types of fabrics, but it's yeah, it's really special. Then we've got this fabric that is, it picks up like different hints of things, and then this kind of cream satin sheeny one here, and then I have some sequins as well which I will be adding in too. So they're the colours I'm going with for Omdiva. I'm gonna go a little more understated this collection, I think, and just see how that works out sales wise and everything like that. So I might add in more colours if I feel I need to add something else, but for now this is what I'm sticking with. And this morning I've been cutting out some fabric strip, and I'm just going to start with that, ease myself in and kind of get going and get a feel for how the fabrics are working together. But I think these two go quite nice because it's picking up the colours in here, and it's also a mix of like a matte kind of finish with the kind of more satin finish. Yeah, I think that might work quite well together. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm just going to finish cutting these out and sew them, and yeah, we'll get on with today. it's Monday today and I'm just starting by packing some orders. So this bag was ordered, which is like a kind of a faux fur white star bag. So that's ordered, and then one of these one of these pastel floral bags is ordered as well. So I'm going to get both of them packed. I've just spent the morning making the gift bags that they're going inside. So yeah, going to get them all ready to go now. Okay, just finished packing all my orders and I'm going to run around to the post office now before I get going on the next thing. So yeah, I'm going to go It's actually such a nice day today. It feels like it could actually be spring soon or summer. Yeah, it's so nice to get a little bit of sunshine and just get out in the air as well for a minute. Okay, so I apologise for the quality of the video if it's any different. My camera completely broke and I'm hoping, I left it in to get fixed, I'm hoping I can, but I'm on my phone for now, and I've quite an old phone, so I'm not too sure how good it is. But anyway, so I thought I'd just update you on where I am. So this is all pieces I've been working on for Omdiva. I have some tops and some matching skirts, some dresses, some other skirts, some bags. I would say like 3/4 away finished making everything. So there's one of the dresses, nicely patchworked, the kind of ribbon tie closures, and then all the other pieces there. So I'll show you in better detail soon enough. Yeah, so for now I'm just working on star bags, so I'm just going to try and get them made, or at least started today. That's the plan. So I will catch up with you in a bit. So I'm just halfway through sewing one of the star bags. I think I'm going to finish this ruffle and then that's me for tonight. It's quite late already, so I will catch you guys again in the morning. It's a few days later and I'm still just working through some new bags. I've just finished the pocket and the button. Yeah, really sorry the quality is probably not what you are used to, but I'm just filming on my phone until I can try and get my camera fixed. But yeah, it's a Saturday and I'm in catching up. I just had some orders to do. I got them packed this morning, and now I'm just continuing on trying to get the bag finished. This is how far I got. I don't know if I showed you to this point. So it's one of the bags with all the cute little bows on it. So I'm doing the lining at the moment, and then I have the strap cut out, and then I have some more. I made some more of these to add on to the strap as extra bows. So I'm just working through, and I'll probably stay just for a few hours. But yeah. Excuse the mess in the studio, but I've just finished the bag. I've added these extra 2 bows on top, and yeah, I really like this one. You can tie those strings up as well, but I'm just leaving them down for now. Yeah, I think it's really sweet and I'm happy with it. So I think that's me done for today. I'm gonna run to the post office and finish up, and then I'll catch you when I'm in.